Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Promoter Adventures. Today I am taking you to Cannaught Place, one of the very beautiful place of New Delhi. That is the number one place in New Delhi. During the time of British rule, this town was being developed, and all the circular buildings, that is the Cannaught Circle area, is designed by British architect during the time of Lord Cannaught, and this place is being named after his name. It is a very beautiful place, and it's remain crowded all the time. That is the number one place of Delhi. And here it is the Handloom Bhavan here, that is being built later on, and the national level Expo, special Expo of Handloom is going on. And there is the place where during the time of winters and the expos are being held in the ground. Yeah, that is the first floor of this building, is the spot where the Bodoland Regional Artisan Weavers Co-Operative Federation Limited, the BRAWFED, had a permanent stall here. That is the interior view of this expo. She is Sanika is standing, and she is Rahul Busmatari, who is looking after the BRAWFED. He is the manager of BRAWFED here. Is a permanent employee of the BRAWFED, which is being run by the BTC Government in the Bodoland. And these are the stall being taken part by different organizations from different places of India, mostly from Madhya Pradesh. We can see over here, and all the local these attires are being shown here in the expos. There are so many beautiful attires are there. We can see over here all kinds of attires. Yeah, that is the stall. The BRAWFED is putting off, and it is so beautiful and colorful attires of the Bodo community is being displayed here. The dokonas, the jamgras, the gamsas, the palis, and all kinds of clothes. The arana is most popular among the Bodos, and it has different fabrics of Indi and Muga are also here. So very beautiful and very colorful attires are being shown here, and we have this permanent stall of BRAWFED here in Cannaught Place in Janpat. Whenever you are in Delhi and in the Cannaught Place area, then we can just go there in the BRAWFED and buy our dresses of your choice. We can see over here, and that is the Janpat market just below the building, and this market is full of different kinds of garments, the modern garments. We can see over here all kinds of garments are being sold here in a reasonable price, and that is an open market, and most of the time this place remain busy, crowded with the people who buy their clothes. And that is in the prime location, and one side is the Jivan Bharati building, and the glass building is there, and other side there is the Punjab National Bank, the headquarters of Punjab National Bank's buildings there, and next to it is Jantar Mantar, the historic Jantar Mantar site. Yeah, this is the Janpat market. Be Janpat market thanai मोनसे बाजार जेराव जों गुबुन-गुबुन रोखोमनि गानग्रा जोमग्राफोरखौ जों मोननो हायो. जों बाव नुनो मोनदों बेहाय गुबुन-गुबुन रोखोमनि गानग्रा जोमग्राफोरखौ दिन्थिनाय जादों. बेहाय जोंनि लुबैनाय बायदि जोंनि नांगौ बायदि ड्रेसफोरखौ जोङो खम दामावनो जों मोननो हायो. बेवहाय गोजां बोथोराव सब समावहायनो मानसिफ्रा लैहोर लैहोर बेहाय जि जोम बायथुमो. जों नुनो मोनदों बेहाय गोबां सुबुंनि थुबुरा बेहाय गानग्रा जोमग्राफोरखौ बायदों Yeah, that is very crowded market, which people have the choice to come here. They choose to come here to buy their attires.